السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. مرحبا بكم أيها المشاهدون الكرام إلى قناة أبي حفص. You are highly welcome أيها good viewers وأبو حفص channel. So اليوم سنتكلم عن التغيير الذي يحدث في الفعل المضارع ويتأثر في معنى الفعل المضارع. So we are going to discuss the words that can affect the meaning of the imperfect tense verb only. So وما هذه الكلمات? Firstly, we have ma and la, ma and la. So these particles, if it's being used with al-fi'l al-mudari', so it's going to negate the verb without affecting the form of the kalma of the fi'l al-mudari'. Example of that is ma yajlisu. Ma yajlisu. He did not sit down, or he is not sitting down. La yajlis. La yajlisu. Who is not sitting down, or he is not going to sit. So you know the form of this word did not change now. And again we have qad and kana. Qad and kana. So these two particles again, so can also change the meaning or affect the meaning of the imperfect tense verb without affecting the form of the verb itself. So for instance, qad yadhhab or qad adhhab, I may go. Qad adhhab, I may go. Qad adhhabu, I may go. So it does not affect the form of this particular verb. And kana yadhhabu zaydun. Kana yadhhabu zaydun. So Zayd used to go. Zayd used to go. So this particular kana does not affect the al-fi'l al-mudari', which is yadhhab, the imperfect tense verb. Now, and again we have lam. Lam bil fatha. So we can add this particular lam to al-fi'l al-mudari' again. So and the imperfect tense verb will be emphasized without affecting the form. So example of that is qawluhu ta'ala innal ladhina utul kitaba la ya'lamuna annahu al-haqq. La ya'lamuna. So this particular lam, it is ya'lamuna, but lam is being added to this particular verb. So wa qala subhanahu wa ta'ala la ya'lamuna annahu al-haqq. So those who have been given the book, la ya'lamuna annahu al-haqq, surely know. So this particular lam just emphasized the meaning of this particular verb. So that is surely. The lam means surely know that it is the truth. Now, and again we have sin and sawfa. If one of these particular particles is being used in front of the imperfect tense verb, so it's just going to give us the meaning that this particular verb or this particular action is going to happen in the future. So and these two particles, we call it harfa istiqbalin, the two particles of future. Now, so if we use sin, if it's being used, so it's indicating the near future, and that is soon. So and sawfa, so is indicating the distant future, and you can say it is later or after a while. So that's the meaning of sawfa, later or after a while. Now example of sin is sanaktubu. Naktub, it is al-fi'l al-mudari', that is the imperfect tense verb. Naktub, and we add sin wa naqul sanaktubu, we will soon write. So sin, that means soon there. And example of sawfa aktub, I shall write later. I shall write later. So and again we can add lam to sawfa again. So we can add lam to sawfa, and if this particular lam is being added to sawfa, so it will emphasize the meaning of sawfa. So like at-tawkid, so just to affirm the meaning of that particular sawfa. Now, so I call la sawfa aktub. La sawfa aktubu. So the example I gave so far and the letter that's been added with the examples just change the meaning of the imperfect tense verb that we use together with it. So it does not change any form of this kelma, of this al-fi'l al-mudari'. Rather, it change the meaning of the imperfect tense verb that we use together with it. So هذا والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.